Are you seeing a Telegram network error on your PC and unable to send messages, load chats, or connect to Telegram properly? In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to fix Telegram network errors on Windows. We'll first check Telegram's connection settings and disable any proxy that may be blocking the app. Then we'll reset important Windows network components using command prompt. These steps are quick, safe, and useful for many common Telegram connection problems. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your Windows computer. Once the app is open, click the menu button in the top left corner, then select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced section and open it. Scroll down until you find the Connection Settings. Depending on your Telegram version, this option may be called Connection Type or Connection Settings. Now check whether Telegram is using a proxy. If a proxy is active, it can sometimes prevent Telegram from connecting correctly, especially if the proxy is slow, unavailable, or incorrectly configured. To disable it, open the connection type settings and switch the option to default, TCP, or auto, depending on the options shown in your version of Telegram. If you see an active proxy, turn it off and make sure Telegram is not forced to use a custom connection. After changing this setting, go back to the main Telegram window and test the connection. Try opening a chat, sending a message, or refreshing your conversations. If Telegram starts working, the problem was likely caused by the proxy or connection configuration. If the network error is still appearing, completely restart Telegram. Closing the window may not always fully shut down the application because Telegram can continue running in the Windows system tray. To close it properly, look at the bottom right corner of your Windows desktop near the clock. If you do not see the Telegram icon, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click the Telegram icon and choose Exit or Quit. Once Telegram has completely closed, wait a few seconds and open it again from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Give the app a moment to reconnect, then check whether your messages and chats load normally. This simple restart can refresh the connection and clear temporary app issues. If Telegram still cannot connect, the next method is to reset the network settings used by Windows. For this, we'll use command prompt with administrator permissions. Before continuing, save any important work because you'll restart your computer after one of the commands. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing command prompt, or simply type CMD. In the search results, right-click command prompt and select Run as administrator. Windows may display a permission prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes. Click Yes to continue. A black command prompt window will now open. First, we'll flush the DNS cache. DNS helps Windows translate website and service addresses into network locations, but the stored information can sometimes become outdated or corrupted. Type the following command, ipconfig/flush DNS, then press enter. Windows should display a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears the old DNS information and allows Windows to request fresh connection details. Next, we'll reset Winsock. Winsock is a Windows networking component that helps applications communicate over the internet. If it becomes damaged or misconfigured, apps like Telegram may show network errors even when your internet works in a browser. In the same command prompt window, type netsh winsock reset, then press enter. You should see a message saying that the Winsock catalog was successfully reset and that you must restart the computer to complete the reset. Save your work, close your open applications, and restart your PC. After Windows starts again, open Telegram and wait a few moments for it to reconnect. Check your chats, send a test message, and see whether images or other content load correctly. In many cases, flushing the DNS cache and resetting Winsock fixes connection problems caused by corrupted network data or Windows networking issues. If the error continues, also check that your internet connection works in another application, temporarily disable any VPN or third-party proxy, and make sure Telegram is not blocked by your firewall or security software. You can also confirm that Telegram itself is not experiencing a temporary service outage, and that's how to fix a Telegram network error on PC. Start by disabling any active proxy in Telegram, fully restart the app from the system tray, and then use command prompt to flush DNS and reset Winsock if necessary. These steps solve many common Telegram connection problems without reinstalling the application. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows and app troubleshooting guides.